Now we're going to register the selfie using an ID card. And at Smile Identity, we've recently launched document verification that basically allows us to scale our solution across Africa, North America, and Europe. And all we need for this particular service is a selfie of the user and a photo of the ID card. And this is what we're going to demonstrate. So using our smart selfie technology, we first capture the selfie of the user. Once that's completed, we then take a photo of the user's ID. And as you can see at the top of the screen, we have provision for a custom message that you can provide your user when capturing the ID. We've also enabled capturing of the back of the ID card for certain use cases, which I'd like to demonstrate. Once the ID is fitted within the boundaries and the image is clear enough, the user can select that the image is clear enough and ready to move forward. And again, we'll upload this where we'll conduct processing in the servers. In this instance, for document verification, we begin by matching a selfie to the image on the physical ID card. We conduct a proof of liveness on the selfie submitted by the user. We then match the selfie to the image on the physical ID card provided by the user. We then also verify that the document provided by the user is a genuine document and hasn't been tampered with or altered. And once that's done, as you can see here, within 9 seconds, the user was successfully onboarded. And this is a Pan-African solution, easily and readily available, and enables you to scale across the continent within a single integration. So in this case, we didn't query any national ID database. We simply compared the selfie to the image on the physical document.